Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Telegram crypto trading bot. First, you'll need to understand the basic architecture, including how your bot will interact with both Telegram and a crypto exchange. We'll then walk through setting up your Telegram bot API token, which is essential for communication. Next, prepare your development environment, ensuring you have the necessary programming tools installed. Finally, select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that offers robust API access for automated trading. Now, let's dive into the bot's core logic. You'll implement your chosen trading strategies, perhaps using indicators like the Relative Strength Index or simple moving averages to identify trade opportunities. Next, establish a secure connection to your chosen cryptocurrency exchange's API. This connection allows your bot to fetch real-time market data, execute trades, and manage your portfolio. Ensure robust error handling for reliable operation, especially when dealing with financial transactions. With the trading logic in place, it's time to build the Telegram interface. Design intuitive commands that allow users to interact with your bot, such as checking balances or initiating trades. Implement message parsing to accurately interpret user input and execute the corresponding actions. Your bot should also send timely notifications, like trade confirmations or price alerts, directly to Telegram. This ensures users stay informed about their trading activity and market movements. Before going live, rigorously test your bot in a simulated trading environment to identify and fix any bugs or logic flaws. This crucial step helps prevent potential financial losses. Once confident, deploy your bot to a secure, always-on server, ensuring it operates continuously without interruption. Remember to monitor its performance regularly and make adjustments as needed. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.